there! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily Wambui. You can call me Em, and this is Busy at Home. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking to watch this video. A little confession. So I've been gone for a little while. Yes, it feels like it's been forever, but things kind of got a little busy around here with taking care of a toddler and not having a house help. But now I'm back. Yes, I am back. Welcome to my kitchen, and let me tell you what the Lord has been doing in my heart and my mind. I realized I have been wasting so much time. But God has just helped me to find this organizational system called the Fly Lady system, and it has helped me to get organized. Oh man, because having a toddler, not having a house help, and having a job, and also working on YouTube, that is a whole lot of stuff to do. But I've been able to organize my time, and I've been able to use my time wisely thanks to the Fly Lady system. And one thing I love about that system is that it does not call me to perfection. Oh, thank you, Jesus. It does not call me to perfection, just progress. So if you're out there and you're wondering why is my life such a mess, let me tell you, go to flylady.net, and it's going to help you organize your home and your time, and you are just going to, I think Fly Lady stands for Finally Love Yourself. Yes, I have just seen such a change in my home and my attitude and just everything around me thanks to the Fly Lady system. So I decided to just take this time to tell you about the Fly Lady system before we start baking. But please do keep it locked. We're going to make a delicious zucchini cupcake recipe that my family really enjoyed, and I just love so much. I think it's my husband's favorite cake. Not I think, I know it's my husband's favorite cake. So let's make some zucchini cake. You're going to need 1.5 large zucchinis, and grate them with a small grater. Unless if you want bigger chunks, you can use the bigger grater. You're going to need 2 cups. Lightly squeeze out any excess water until you have 2 cups of zucchini. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. If you have the fan setting, that's the best setting to use. And you're going to need 3 eggs, and crack them into a big bowl. One cup of sugar, 1 cup of oil. You can use any kind of oil. I'm using canola because that's what I have. You can use vegetable oil as well. Vanilla extract, peppermint oil or peppermint extract, whichever you have is fine. Now let's whisk the wet ingredients together. Now for the dry ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. If you have cloves or nutmeg, you can add those as well, but maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of each. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, You know, I've just realized while I'm voicing over this recipe that I completely forgot the salt. Oh man. Don't be like me. Check out the description box below for the recipe and don't skip the salt. I didn't notice it. I've just noticed that right now, but don't skip it. Salt is important in baking. Now mix all that together. It doesn't have to mix all the way for now. We're going to add our 2 cups of zucchini, and this is now going to help the batter become a bit lighter. So mix that in. And I'm going to use these 2 tins. One is tinier. I thought that would be perfect for my toddler because it's a small cupcake. I can just split it in half for her and she'll nibble. And then for us grown-ups, we're going to have these bigger cupcakes. While I was doing this, I realized I probably should have used a piping bag, but you can still use a spoon. It's really messy, but it's okay. It's still okay. Fill the cupcakes almost to the very top, but not all the way up. You still need some space for the cupcakes to rise. Make sure you clean up your tin because once it bakes, it's really hard to clean. So clean it now when it's easy. And then I'm going to put this in the oven and they're going to bake for about 15 minutes or even less for the smaller ones. Keep checking them to make sure that they don't overcook. And yeah, that's it. Pretty simple recipe. I hope you try it. And tag me on social media and let me see what you made. I'm really excited to see. My zucchini cupcakes are in the oven. They're baking. They're going to take just a short time, not more than 15 minutes actually, to bake all the way through. And then you are going to just take them out, let them cool for about 10 minutes, and you can serve them warm. Ooh, look at that. Oh, they look delicious. They look absolutely, look at that. Look delicious. Ooh, look at that. They look delicious. I'm going to let them cool and we're gonna taste. These ones also look pretty good. These ones also look really good. Hope they're not stuck. I need your help. Can you help me? I need your help. One of the ways that you can really help me is by, number 1, making sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so glad you joined me today. See you next week right here. Also, consider watching some of my other videos.